Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Circle. I'm James, your English coach and conversation partner.
And I'm Emma. We're here to help you learn English in a fun, easy, and natural way.
In every episode, we talk about real-life topics to help you speak English confidently and naturally.
That's right. You'll learn useful phrases, simple grammar tips, and everyday vocabulary that you can use right away.
Today's topic is talking about hobbies. We'll learn how to describe what you do in your free time, the fun activities you enjoy.
It's a great way to practice simple sentences, action verbs, and daily conversation in English.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's start today's English conversation together.
Welcome to Mr. English Circle, where learning English feels like talking with friends. Okay, first, let's listen to a short conversation about hobbies. Listen carefully and try to understand the main ideas.
Hi, Emma. What do you do in your free time?
Hi, James. I like reading books and baking cakes. What about you?
I like playing the guitar and going for walks in the park.
Nice! Do you play every day?
Yes, I play a little every evening.
Cool! Okay, let's talk about what we just heard.
First, we heard this question. What do you do in your free time? Let's say it together. Ready? What do you do in your free time?
Good job! That question means, what activities do you enjoy when you are not busy?
Then Emma said, I like reading books and baking cakes. That's a great structure. I like plus verbing.
Yes, here are some examples. I like swimming. I like cooking. I like painting. I like listening to music.
Very nice. And I said, I like playing the guitar and going for walks. Let's practice together. Both, I like playing the guitar. Now you try.
Great work! You sound amazing!
We also heard another question. Do you play every day? This is a yes or no question.
You can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Let's try. Emma, do you bake every day?
No, I don't. I bake on weekends.
Good. And listeners, what about you? Do you play sports every day?
Good job! Keep practicing your answers out loud. Speaking helps you remember. Okay, now let's listen again to the same conversation. This time, try to understand more details.
Hi, Emma. What do you do in your free time?
Hi, James. I like reading books and baking cakes. What about you?
I like playing the guitar and going for walks in the park.
Nice! Do you play every day?
Yes, I play a little every evening.
Cool!
Did you understand more this time? If yes, great job!
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to ask, what do you do in your free time? And how to answer with, I like plus verbing.
For example, I like reading, I like dancing, I like watching movies.
Very nice. Remember, hobbies are a fun way to share about your life and connect with others in English.
Yes, talking about your hobbies helps people get to know you better.
Now, here's a question for you, our community question.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments or practice with a friend.
And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Remember, practice a little bit every day and your English will keep improving.
If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
You can also share this video with a friend who's learning English. Learning together makes it more fun.
And tell us in the comments, what was your favorite phrase or word from today's topic? We love hearing from you.
Thanks for joining us at Mr. English Circle. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.